morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. Please confirm that my screen and audio is clear to everyone or not. Clear sir? Chalo then, ready? Question number 4 was also given as a homework, right? Here they've asked a chord of a circle of radius this much, 10 is the radius at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Minor segment means this is the gray one is the minor segment, yes or no? And the angle, right angle. So it's a quarter portion of the segment of the entire circle. So what you do is that yesterday we did one formula, area of sector minus area of triangle. Have we done this formula, yes or no? Sector का area will be theta by 360 into pi r square will mean out here 10 square, and area for triangle is half into base into height. Clear? Half into 10 into 10. Clear? When you subtract this thing, you'll be getting the area for the minor segment as this much, 28.5 centimeter square. How many students have got this answer? If you have not done, please let me know. If you have done, let me know. This is the area of the minor segment. And in case they have asked for the area for the major segment, you can calculate the entire circle's area and subtract this minor segment's area. Here. And major sector they are asking you. Okay, major sector means this yellow one, whatever color is this. Okay, what you can do out here is that you know that this angle is 270, so theta will become 270 degrees. So 270 by 360 into pi r square by r square. Clear? We apply this is 3/4, and whenever you apply this formula, you will be getting the area for the major sector as 235.5. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Just see the application of formula is clear to you or no. Confirm yes or no. Can you move on? Students, confirm. People who are done with this, kindly move on to the 5th numerical. In a circle of this 21 centimeters, arc subtended at 60 degree at the center. Okay, now that 90 degree has changed to 60 degree. You have to calculate the length of the arc. Length of the arc's formula have I given you? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Yes or no? Confirm. Area of the sector formed by the arc. This 60 degrees area of sector, can you calculate? Theta by 360 into pi r square, where r will be 10 and not 10, r will be 21 and theta will be 60. Area of the segment formed by the arc. Now this is an interesting one. Now look very carefully. This is 60 degree. So this is 21, so these two are equal, therefore the base angle has to be equal. Yes or no? Isosceles triangle. So x, if I take this as x, this will also be x. So x plus 60 will be equals to 180. Yes or no? 2x is equals to 120. X is equals to 60 degree. Please confirm. All angles are 60 degree, implying that this is a what kind of a triangle? Equilateral triangle. And you know equilateral triangle's area is how much? Area of equilateral triangle is √3/4 side square. Clear? So we will get the area of triangle, and the area of sector you just now have calculated. This can come in a case-based study type question. Okay, this is a very good question for a case-based study type. Your length of arc will be using this formula. You will be getting it as 22 centimeters, and theta by 360 pi r square you will be using it for this one. So it's 231 centimeters, and when you subtract this by this thing, area of triangle √3/4 side square, which is 21 square, you'll be getting the area for the segment as this. Now you'll be leaving the answer in roots only, because you cannot subtract 2 minus √3. Okay, Is this numerical clear to everyone? This is a very important question for your case-based study. Back to back, there are 3 questions, so this can easily be your 3 marks question. And if you want to change it to a bit, so you can easily take a 4th question as area for major segment. This was area for minor segment. 4th question might be area of major segment. Is it clear? Yes or no? Confirm students, yes or no? Kindly take just a moment. Move on. You can take for this also. Moving on to question number 6. Question number 6 is very similar to question number 5. So you'll be doing it for your homework. Question number 6. Question number 7. Now this kind of question has been removed from the syllabus, where your theta is equals to 120 degree. Is it clear? 120 degrees has been removed from the syllabus, so you can cut this numerical out. Question number 7. Now a very interesting question, question number 6. This is also very important as far as your case-based study is concerned. A horse is tied, this is a horse tied, and the rope is there. It can graze up till this much. The area of the part of the field which the horse can graze. You've been asked to find out this area. Clear? Now can you tell me what is the theta out here, since it's a square? What is the theta? 90 degree squares. Now the rope is 5 centimeter long, therefore the radius happens to be 5 meter. Yes or no? This is the radius. The horse can graze only this much maximum area. Yes or no? So can we use this formula, theta by 360 into pi? R square means 5 square. Yes or no? And instead of theta place 90, you will be getting the maximum area grazed. Clear? The second part says that if the rope was 10 centimeter long, if the rope is still here, let's say 10 centimeter long, the increase in the area. So what you do is, supposing you get the answer from here is, we're getting it 19.625. Okay. Now when you increase, you again calculate theta by 360 pi r square, you'll be getting the area is 78.5. So what is the increased area? This minus this, yes or no? When we take r is equals to 10, obviously the area will increase. And when r is equals to 5, we have already calculated as this. So what is the increase in area? This area, 10th area by minus 5th area. Is it clear to everyone? Confirm students. I'm pausing the video. These numericals are pretty easy, okay? There's only 3 formulas being used again and again. Question number 9 now. Question number 9 is a similar one as we did the target one. Okay, so you'll be trying question number 9 on your own. Now question number 10, I'll be doing it for you. Okay. Question number 10, it has 8 ribs. These are called the ribs. Okay, assuming that it's a flat circle of radius 45, the area between 2 consecutive ribs, that is area between these 2 consecutive ribs. Clear? Since there are 8 ribs, this is 360 is divided by 8. Yes or no? So your area is also divided into 8 equal parts, right? When it's 8 ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it clear? So can we calculate the entire area for this, considering it to be a flat circle? We have already told, with a radius of 45, we get the area as 6364.29, and since there are 8 ribs, it will be divided into 8 portions. Clear? Therefore between 2 consecutive ribs, it will be 795.5 centimeters square. Is it clear or not, everyone? Confirm. Yes or no? There was one more way of doing it, but this is a very easy one, so we will go with this. You could have taken theta also, no issues. Then you have to divide 360 by 8, and I don't think that is required out here. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Please confirm. Okay. Moving on, question number 11 is a very similar kind of numerical as we did question number uh, ninth one. Okay, there's a the car's wiper. This is the wiper, so it will be sweeping only this much area. So you know the length of the wiper and the angle also. I don't think it will be a big challenge for you all to calculate this area. Clear? Moving on to question number 12. This is a practical based numerical, so I'll do it. To warn a ship, underwater rocks, light spreads for an angle of 80 degree. This is the angle of 80 degree. यहाँ से they are from a lighthouse, they are throwing light, so it's spreading till 80 degree. So our theta happens to be 80 degree. What is the area it will be covering? Distance is 16.5. I don't think it will be a big problem for you all to calculate this. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta ke instead we will be putting 80 and instead of r you will be putting 16.5. Is it clear? Yes or no, please confirm. Overall you will be getting the area covered is 189.97, or some students get it 190 also. That will also be considered as correct. Okay, which is nearly equals to 190 kilometer square. Is it clear? Yes or no, please confirm. Sir, can you explain question number 11? Just a moment. Where is 11? This one. This is car's wiper. You have seen the car's wiper. The angle it covers is 115 degree. You'll always see that it's never covering the entire one. It will be starting from here, let's say, and it ends out here. So this angle is 115. Okay? Since there are two wipers, so whatever area you get will be multiplying it with 2. Excuse me. Okay, so this will be the area covered, and the length of the wiper is 25 centimeters. That's it. Theta by 360 into pi r square and then multiply by 2 because of two wipers. Is it clear? Yes or no? Confirm. Why are people still coming in? Shomojit, clear? Okay. Again, I'm telling people, don't bother entering the class so late because you will not be understanding anything. Question number 12 clear to everyone? This lighthouse question. 190 kilometers will be your answer. Now, this one is a very interesting one. Question number 13. Question number 13 says that this is a round tablecloth. This is equally designed. Okay. If the radius covered is 28 centimeters, this is 28, this one. Find the cost of making the design. This basically you have to calculate this area. Clear? So what we can do out here is this, we can draw, we can join all of these. So can you tell me what will be these angles? Will it be 60 degree? 360 has been divided into 6 parts. So this is 60, yes or no? And can we calculate the area for this segment? Forget everything, just focus on this one. Just focus on this one. Over here, basically you have to calculate the area of the segment only, no? Yes or no? So area of sector minus area of triangle. Very important question. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector will be theta by 360. Theta out here will be 60 degree because 360 has been divided into 6 parts, so it will become 60. So 60 by 360 into pi r square. Pi into r. Can anybody tell me what is r out here? It's 28 square minus area for the triangle. Now throw some light on area of triangle. How will we find area for triangle? Anyone? How will you find area of triangle? This is 60 degree. Just now we did one numerical where this was 60 degree and these two are equal. Therefore, this will also be 60, 60, yes or no? Equilateral triangles area will be root 3 by 4 side squared. Side happens to be 28 centimeters square. Now, can we calculate this thing? Yes or no? You can easily take 28 square common and solve for things in between. Whatever you get out here, you have to multiply the entire thing by 6 because there are 6 designs. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll get the design portion and then multiply with 0.35. Clear? Clear, yes or no? Area of sector minus area for triangle will give us 77.46. 6 triangle designs means 6 into 77 gives us 464.76 centimeter square. Now this is multiplied by 0.35 per centimeter square, so we'll be getting the overall cost as 162.62. Did everybody understand this thing? I'll pause the video so that everybody can copy this down. You have exactly 1 minute to copy it down. If you want to take, now we have approached the last portion of this exercise. You have to take the correct following. Now you all tell me the answer for this. You all tell me the answer for this. Which option? Type it out, type it out. Delhi. Surya is still in D. Just a moment, Anantarjit, after the class I'll discuss that. First tell me the answer for this. Area for the sector P degrees of a circle, radius R. I don't understand. Okay. Surya is absolutely correct. There's a catch out here, 2 will get cancelled, okay? This will become 360. So ultimately our formula will become theta by 360 into pi r square. Instead of theta, we are having P out here. Option number D is correct. Does everybody get this question? Understand this question properly? Yes or no? Please confirm. Confirm, students. Acha, I would want to ask you one thing. Please check out this exercise once. The third exercise in your book. Is it written optional or not? Pausing the video. Kindly check once if anybody has. I'm starting off because mostly they have this optional thing. Question number exercise 12.3. You have to find the area for the shaded portion. This is a very interesting and a very easy one also. Over here what you have to do is that find the area for this semicircle. Clear? PQ is given out here, PR is given, PQ is given and PR is also given to you. O is the center. If you examine very closely, this will be a right angle triangle. Okay? No, I don't think it will be a right angle triangle. PQ has to be there. It might be a right angle triangle. This is 24, this is 7, then this will become 25. Okay? This is a 20. This one is 25. Clear? So when this is 25, can we calculate the area for the semicircle? Yes or no? With a radius of 12.5. Area for the semicircle can we calculate? Yes or no? And from that semicircle, if we subtract this triangle's area, half into base into height, we'll get the area for the shaded one. Confirm yes or no? Pythagoras theorem, see the diagram, the diameter will come out to be 25, radius is 12.5. When the radius is 12.5, the area for the semicircle will be calculated half pi r square. Clear? And the area for the triangle is half into base into height. When you subtract these two, we will be getting the required area. Did everybody understand this thing? Yes sir, no sir? Please take a screenshot for this thing. And question number 2, 3 and 4 will be your homework for today, plus examples also of previous exercise, plus 12.2, whatever I have numerical I have missed out. Okay, I think I have missed out 3 numericals or 4 numericals. Okay, now this will be your homework for today. I am stopping the recording.